Hello, welcome to Chun's Kitchen. I went a short trip to Gangwon province, which is located in the eastern part of Korea. You can see many mountains and beaches in this province. When you visit the local area, you also enjoy local food. So did I. Gangwon province is famous for buckwheat noodle dish we call memil mak-guksu, so I'm going to introduce it first. You can see that dish on the menu picture. It has broth, but I'm going to order the one without broth.
야 이거 너무 웃기다.
Well, our food was delivered by this robot. I thought it's quite funny.
너무 웃긴데? 야 얘 봐. 희한해.
Thank you, Robert. Well, bye.
너무 웃기다.
When you get this dish, just mix with the sauce like this. Sometimes you can add Korean mustard paste or even vinegar. The sauce for the noodle looks spicy, but it doesn't taste spicy at all. Just mix well and enjoy. One special thing about this dish, you can enjoy this noodle as a cold noodle first, and then you can add the cold broth afterward like this. Then you can enjoy another kind of dish, noodle dish, at the same time. Well, you can make mak-guksu at home, but you need many ingredients to get proper sauce. Or maybe if you can't eat any spicy food, so I prepared not spicy and so easy to make buckwheat noodle dish. So simple ingredients again, and this is buckwheat noodle, and as you can see the color is slightly brown. And if you see it close, you can see the tiny black spots. I think it comes from the shells. This is finely chopped green onion, but spring onion or chive would be okay too. This is sesame seeds. I'm going to grind before serving. This is perilla oil, which is my favorite, and 1 egg. You can use boiled egg, but I'm going to fry this time. I'm going to use seaweed flakes as a topping, but it's quite optional. I will tell you a little bit more about buckwheat noodle. memil means buckwheat. It's not that difficult to cook. Just follow the recipe on the package. Boil roughly 4 minutes and then rinse with cold water a few times and drain. That's it. When you rinse the noodles with cold water, you can get rid of starch outside of the noodles. Buckwheat is considered as a good noodle for your health. Takes time to digest and has more protein. So good for diabetes especially. I'm going to make sauce for the noodle while I'm waiting for the water boils. So simple ingredients, but sometimes this kind of simple ingredients make the best taste. So I really recommend you to try to make this noodle dish if you have perilla oil and buckwheat noodle. Anyway, just add all the sauce ingredients in a bowl at once, which are sugar substitute, soy sauce, and perilla oil, and then mix well. I usually cook the noodle first and keep it in the fridge and then make sauce because it doesn't take time to make, and then mix well just before serving. I'm making really basic buckwheat noodle without soup with this perilla oil, but if you want to add other ingredients, you can, why not? It's really up to you, but personally, I prefer as it is to enjoy the basic taste of each ingredient, especially buckwheat noodle. Well, anyway, I think it's done. And I already cooked buckwheat noodles. Well, all you have to do is mix well with sauce. Koreans usually enjoy buckwheat noodle as a cold noodle dish, but there's a dish with hot soup. Anyway, I think it's done. Prepare the bowl and put the noodles on the bottom and add toppings on top. Fried egg. You can use boiled egg and sprinkle the green onions and add the seaweed flakes. It's quite optional. And the last one is the sesame seed. To enjoy sesame seed flavor and smells, just do this at last, just before serving. Well, it's done. This is not that luxury food, but something I really like and hope you to try to make it yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.